fight, all with my own mind, starting to lose sight. I know that in my mind you're the God that saves. I'm stuck in my old ways, looking for...
If you've missed out on any of our online services or sermons, don't worry, you can now listen and join in online, and you can listen to our new podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and on our website. And if you'd like to rewatch any of our services that you may have missed, head to our YouTube page, Excel Church UK, and catch up on there.
You're taking the darkness, the hopeless, and turning this heart into something new. And nothing can stop me from hoping when there's less of me and not this more.
So we've got another Alpha course happening online at the end of May. So if you would like to sign up for one, or you know someone who might be interested in exploring the big questions of life and some big questions about God, then get in touch, invite them along and sign up online.
'Cause trial after trial I have come to know this life is not my own. Diving in and letting go, and giving myself to you.
Have you been bereaved, or do you know someone who has been? Well, we're going to be starting another cohort for our grief recovery course online, and this will be starting from Monday the 7th of June. So if you'd like some more information about this, or you'd like to sign up to this or share the details with someone else, you can head to our website and find all our info there. Kidstream is back with a brand new theme now, and we'll be joining together on Fridays at 6:30 and on Sundays at 10 a.m. with a brand new theme of Around the World in 80-ish days. So make sure you join us for some fun, some games and great lessons from the Bible. You can tune in at xlchurch.online.church.
Your new creation coming now. Giving myself to you.
Youth, this one is for you. On Tuesday nights, we're back in the building for our small groups. So if you're part of those, make sure that you come here for 6:30 to join us as we look at the Bible and discuss some things together. And you can join us on Friday nights as well on Zoom for our Friday night hangouts. So make sure that you're joining us for that. See you there.
You're taking the darkness, the hopeless, and turning this heart into something new.
So that's all for Excel News. If you'd like any more information, just get us on social media or our website, and have a great week.